In this video, we're going to go over some of the top Excel jobs that you can expect to get if you're looking to really master your skills in Excel, which I'm assuming you're doing that by going through this course, right? You're looking to go from a complete beginner to expert, or if you already have the experience, right, you're looking to take your game to the next level. So what we're going to do here is really go over what some of the top most common jobs are and what the experience level is and what you're going to be responsible for in your particular job role as a particular data analyst. So let's go ahead and jump into the Excel job types. Okay, and so like I said in one of the other videos, a data analyst is what you're typically going to be going for if you're just starting out, or maybe even if you already have some experience, right? And you're taking your Excel game to the next level, you're going to be able to easily get these types of roles because these individuals are some of the most sought after professionals in the world. And because the demand is so strong and the supply of people who can truly do this job well is so limited, data analysts command high salaries. So you can oftentimes be able to get a lot more than the average because you are a complete from A to Z expert in Excel. You understand how to use the tool, you understand how to, analyze the data, how to be able to present it, right? And so this is something that is extremely valuable in today's marketplace. And you're really just going to be working within data, obviously, if you're a data analyst. And essentially, they take data and probe it to spot trends, make forecasts, and extract information to help their employers make better informed business decisions. So that's really what you're looking to do as a data analyst. You look at different trends, make various predictions, various forecasts based on the previous data. Quick example of this would be looking at the data in the sales of previous years, revenue from a company, and then this year you're looking at the projections and the forecast, right? All of that is going to be within Excel, and you're going to be able to easily do that through after going through this course. And then you're extracting the information and you're helping them make better informed decisions that will ultimately increase the bottom line. And so some of the lists of the common responsibilities here are going to be to interpret data and provide ongoing reports, develop and implement databases, collect and work with data analytics and other strategies that optimize statistical efficiency, quality, and then also identify, analyze, and interpret key trends or patterns in complex data sets, right? This is probably one of the most important things here is being able to take all these different data sets, right, that you're getting from the company, from your employer, whatever that may be, and analyzing it and looking at different opportunities, right? Strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, threats. And so utilizing the SWOT analysis to be able to help you better understand and give recommendations to your organization, to your employer, right? To your client, whatever that may be. So some of the top actual positions here that you're going to see in the Excel field is the data analyst, financial analyst, business analyst. Typically the financial analysts actually are people that work either like on Wall Street or in private equity firms where they're just analyzing, businesses or analyzing, P&L statements, profit and loss, and things of that nature. And then business analysts, you're pretty much analyzing business as a whole, admin assistants, admin assistants, accountants, bookkeepers, project managers, and pretty much anything that has to do with analytics. And so these are the various job opportunities that you can see within the marketplace after you have gone through this course and developed and mastered your Excel skills. So that's going to be here for this one, and we'll see you on the next one.